up together, two kids in the park, our allegations deep in the bar. Reading us. As he walks through the door, they're paralyzed. Just for a moment, I call the line. Feelings in the footstool, out of Madison Drive. Oh, I don't know why she's leaving or where she's gonna go. I guess she's got a reason, but I just don't wanna know. Just for 24 years I've been living next door to Alice. 24 years just waiting for a chance to tell her how I feel and maybe get a second glance. Now I gotta get used to not living next door to Alice. And Sally called back and asked how I felt. And she said I know.
¿Qué toro,